Good morning, all of you. Very good morning. So, I am continuing the important problems, 3 marks important problems in differentiation. So, today's problem is find dy by dx if xy is equal to e power x minus 1. So, given xy is equal to e power x minus 1. Take log with base c on both these sides. So log of xy with base c is equal to log of e power x minus 1 with base c. So log of mn, we will write it as log m plus log n. So log of xy, we will write it as log x plus log with base. So here log a power m means m log a. M log a means x minus y into log e base. So here log x plus log y is equal to x minus y into log e base c, value is 1. So this is log x plus log y is equal to x minus y into 1 is x minus 1. Now differentiate with respect to x on both this side. Then d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Here in the place of x only there. Then d by dx of x is 1. Plus d by dx of log y means, so this is 1 by y. 1 by y. Here in the place of x not there. Then d by dx of y, we will write it as dy by dx. Y is a function in x. That's why we are writing here dy by dx. Minus is equal to, then d by dx of x minus y. So d by dx of x minus y is d by dx of x 1 minus d by dx of y. We will write it as dy by dx. To find dy by dx, correct dy by dx terms are one side, remaining on the other side. So here 1 by y dy by dx there. From this side minus dy by dx is there. Then shift this side. This one becomes plus dy by dx is equal to 1. So this plus 1 by x will shift this side. So this value becomes minus 1 by x. Then common out dy by dx from these two terms. So common out dy by dx from these two terms means 1 by y plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. So here by 1, here also by 1. Find LCM. So here LCM is y. So y is a factor in y is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Plus 1 is a factor in y is y. Y into 1 is y. Into dy by dx is equal to, here 1 and x, LCM is x. 1 factor in x is x. X into 1 is x. Minus x is factor in x is 1 time, 1 into 1 is 1. So to find dy by dx, so x minus 1 by x. So this by y shift this side into y by 1 plus y. So therefore dy by dx is equal to y by x or y into x minus 1 by x into 1 plus y. Next problem. Differentiate tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x with respect to x. Let y is equal to tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x. We know that sin 2x is equal to one of the formula 2 sin x cos x. So then sin x is equal to, we will write it as sin of 2 into x by 2. Now it seems to be the formula sin 2x. So here if you are observing in the place of x is equal to x by 2, if you are writing here, then sin x is equal to, this is the 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So tan inverse of sin x, I am going to write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And one more formula, 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So then here 1 plus cos x, I am writing 2 cos square x by 2. So tan inverse of, so this 2 gets cancelled. Here sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 there. So this cos x by 2 cancel in here cos square x by 2 one time. So remaining is, what is that? Sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. So this is tan inverse of sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Sin by cos is nothing but tan ratio. Here angle is x by 2 there. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Then sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, write it as tan x by 2. So y is equal to tan inverse of tan x by 2. So y is equal to tan inverse of tan. Eliminate. So y is equal to x by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. Then d by dx of x, will write it as dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x by 2. 1 by 2 is a constant coefficient right here, and d by dx of x is 1. Therefore d by dx of y means, so y is nothing but, problem is tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x. So this value is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 means 1 by 2. Next numerical. Differentiate sin inverse of 2 power x plus 1 by 1 plus 4 power x with respect to x. So let y is equal to sin inverse of 2 power x plus 1 by 1 plus 4 power x. So this is nothing but sin inverse of a to the power of m plus n. We will write it as a to the power of m means 2 power x into 2 power 1 by 1 plus 4, I am going to write 2 square whole power x. So this is sin inverse of 2 into 2 power x by 1 plus a to the power of m whole to the power of n. A to the power of m whole to the power of n, I am writing to a to the power of n whole to the power of m. Now take substitution. Put 2 power x is equal to tan theta. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 power x. By taking this substitution, y is equal to sin inverse of 2 into, this is 2 power x is tan theta. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus 2 power x whole square means tan theta whole square. So tan theta whole square means tan square theta. Y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is the formula of sin 2 theta. So therefore y is equal to sin inverse of sin, both will eliminate. So y is equal to 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 theta is, say in terms of x, because of the given function is variable in x, we want to differentiate with respect to x. That's why this theta convert into x variable. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 power x. So now differentiate with respect to x on both this side. So dy by dx of y, we will write it as dy by dx is equal to, 2 is a constant coefficient, keep it same, then d by dx of tan inverse x. D by dx of tan inverse x means 1 by 1 plus x square. X square. But here in the place of x is not there. Then d by dx of 2 power x. So derivative of a power x is a power x log a. So this is d by dx of 2 power x is 2 power x log. So here in the place of x only there, then d by dx of x is value 1. So this is nothing but 2 into 2 power x. We will write it as 2 power x plus 1 into log 2 by 1 plus 2 power x whole square means 2 square whole power x. A to the power of m whole to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of n whole to the power of m. That's why I am writing 2 power x whole square is 2 square whole power x. So this is nothing but 2 power x plus 1 into log 2 by 1 plus 2 square means 4 power x. Next numerical. Differentiate sin x to the power of sin x with respect to x. So to differentiate, let y is equal to sin x power sin x. Base and powers are variable in x. So this type of functions, if you want to differentiate, take log with base c on both this side. Therefore, log y is equal to log of sin x power sin x. Log y is equal to, now it seems to be the formula log x power m. So log x power m, we will write it as m into log x, means log of sin x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both this side. So d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of sin x into log of sin x. So d by dx of log x is equal to, write it as 1 by x. But here d by dx of log y is equal to 1 by y. In the place of x is not there. Then d by dx of y, we will write it as dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x into log of sin x. Now it seems to be the formula d by dx of u into v. Now d by dx of u into v is u. U means sin x into d by dx of log of sin x. So d by dx of log x is 1 by x. In the place of x not there. Then d by dx of sin x is cos x. So u derivative of v completed plus v. V means log of sin x into d by dx of u means d by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x is cos x. Here in place of x only there, then d by dx of sin x is cos x only, will write. Now take this y that side. dy by dx is equal to y into, here sin x gets cancelled. So remaining is cos x plus log of sin x into cos x. So y is equal to, we started with sin x power sin x into cos x plus log of sin x into cos x. So dy by dx means d by dx of y. What is y? Y is nothing but sin x power sin x is equal to, so this is sin x power sin x into cos x plus log of sin x into cos x. So derivative of sin x power sin x is sin x power sin x into cos x plus log of sin x into cos x. Next problem is, if x into root over 1 plus y plus y into root over 1 plus x is equal to 0. For minus 1 less than x less than y, and x is not equal to y, then prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So to prove dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square, so dy by dx is alone in x variable. So from the given equation, what is the given equation? X into root over 1 plus y into root over 1 plus x is equal to 0. So from this equation, I want to say y is a function in x. So to write y is a function alone in x means one of the term shift the other side. So x into root over 1 plus y is equal to this term shift the other side. So minus of y into root over 1 plus x. Squaring down both this side. So x into root over 1 plus y whole square is equal to minus y into root over 1 plus x whole square. So a b whole power m. A to the power of m means x square into root over 1 plus y whole square. So minus whole square. So this is plus y into square is y square into root over 1 plus x whole square. So x square, root square both will cancel. So this is 1 plus y. So y square, root square both will cancel. So this is into 1 plus x. Expand this bracket. So x square into 1 is x square into y. So plus x square y is equal to y square into 1, y square plus y square into x y square. Then collect all the terms one side. So means here this is x square plus x square y. So this y square shift the other side, minus y square, and plus xy square is also shift the other side, minus xy square is equal to 0. Now take x square minus y square in one bracket. So remaining two terms. So remaining two terms are x square by minus xy square. From these two terms, collect or common out xy from these two terms. So by taking xy common in x square y means, so remaining is here x, minus in xy square taking common xy means, so it is y is equal to 0. So this x square minus y square, I am going to write x minus y into x plus y plus xy into x minus y is equal to 0. This is x minus y into x plus y is one term, and the another term is xy into x minus y there. So here x minus y there, here also x minus y there. Then take common x minus y from these two terms. So by taking x minus y common here means remaining is here x plus y, and by taking common x minus y here means remaining is here xy is equal to 0. So this product is equal to 0 means, so either x minus y is equal to 0 or x plus y plus xy is equal to 0. So x minus y is equal to 0 means x is equal to y. So this one contradicts given problem. So means we don't want here it is mentioned x is not equal to y. So this product is not equal to 0. Then this is only the 0. So x plus y plus xy is equal to 0 means take common y from these two terms. So by taking y common from these two terms means y into 1 plus x. This plus x should be other side. So this is minus x. So therefore y is equal to minus x by 1 plus x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both this side here. Differentiate with respect to x on both this side. Here y is equal to minus x by 1 minus 1 plus x. Here differentiate with respect to x on both this side. So differentiate with respect to x on both this side means d by dx of y, we will write it as dy by dx. So d by dx of this is u by v means denominator square, denominator into d by dx of u means minus x, d by dx of minus x is minus 1, minus numerator is minus x into derivative of denominator d by dx of 1 plus x, d by dx of 1 plus x is d by dx of 1 is 0 plus d by dx of x is 1, so 0 plus 1. So this is nothing but 1 plus x into minus 1 means, so this is minus 1 minus x. So 0 plus 1 is 1 into minus x into minus. So minus of minus plus x by 1 plus x whole square. So this minus x plus x gets cancelled. Then remaining is minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Means hence given result proved. Next problem. If cos y is equal to x into cos of a plus y, with cos a is not equal to plus or minus 1, then prove that dy by dx is equal to cos square a plus y by sin a. So given cos y is equal to x into cos of a plus y. Differentiate with respect to x on both these sides. So differentiate with respect to x on both these sides means d by dx of cos y is equal to d by dx of x into cos of a plus y. So d by dx of cos function. So d by dx of cos function means minus sin y. D by dx of cos y is minus sin y. But here in the place of x, x is not there. Then d by dx of y is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x into cos of a plus y. So d by dx of u into v. So u d by dx of cos function means minus sin of a plus y. So here in the place of x, x is not there. Then d by dx of a plus y. So d by dx of a is 0 plus d by dx of y is dy by dx plus cos of a plus y into d by dx of x is value 1. So this is minus sin y dy by dx is equal to minus, so 0 plus dy by dx means dy by dx. So x into sin of a plus y into dy by dx plus cos of a plus y. So we want to find dy by dx. So dy by dx means collect dy by dx terms on one side, remaining on the other side. So this minus x into sin of a plus y dy by dx shift this side. So this is x sin of a plus y into dy by dx minus here sin y dy by dx there is equal to remaining these cos of a plus y. So here dy by dx there, here dy by dx there. Then common out dy by dx from these two terms. So this is x sin of a plus y minus sin y. So by taking dy by dx common means into dy by dx is equal cos of a plus y. So dy by dx is equal to cos of a plus y. So this into term should this side. So here x into sin of a plus y minus sin y. But this is not our proved case. So here if you want to reach the prove that dy by dx is equal to this value means here in the place of x. So from first equation, what is x? X is equal to what is that? Cos y. This into value should this side by cos of a plus y. So right here in the place of x is equal to cos y by cos of a plus y. Means, so this is nothing but cos of a plus y by, so here this is cos y by cos of a plus y into sin of a plus y minus sin y. So find LCM in denominator. So denominator find LCM. So this is cos of a plus y by, here denominator is cos of a plus y, here 1. So LCM of here is cos of a plus y is LCM. So cos of a plus y and cos of a plus y is one time factor. Then this is sin of a plus y into cos y minus 1 is a factor of cos of a plus y is cos of a plus y into sin y. So cos of a plus y into sin y. So this is nothing but cos of a plus y by. So here takes a plus y is equal to a, y is equal to b. Then it seems to be the formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is the formula for sin of a minus b. Means sin of a is a plus y minus b is y. So y cos of a plus y. So here plus y minus y gets cancelled. So this is nothing but cos of a plus y. So this by convert into case. Then this is cos of a plus y by sin y. So cos of a plus y into cos of a plus y is nothing but cos square a plus y by sin y. So this is given dy by dx. So hence proved. Next numerical. Find dy by dx. If x is equal to a theta plus sin theta, y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. We want to find here dy by dx. X is a function of theta and y is also a function of theta. So individually x is a function of theta and y is a function of theta, means x and y differentiate with respect to theta. Means x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta. Y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta here. Then d by d theta of x is dx by d theta is equal to a is a constant quotient right outside. Then d by d theta of theta is 1 plus d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta. So this is a into 1 plus cos theta. So a into 1 plus cos theta is equal to, we will write it as 2 cos square theta by 2. So then this is 2a cos square theta by 2. So y is a function of theta. Then differentiate with respect to theta on both this side. D by d theta of y is dy by d theta is equal to a is a constant quotient, keep it same. Then d by d theta of 1 is 0 minus d by d theta of cos function is minus sin theta. Then d by d theta of theta is 1. So this is a into minus of minus sin theta is plus sin theta plus 0 means sin theta. So a sin theta means right 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So therefore dy by d theta is equal to 2a sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now we want to find dy by dx. So dy by dx means right dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So dy by d theta is nothing but 2a sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. But and dx by d theta is nothing but here 2a cos square theta by 2. So this 2a gets cancelled. 1 cos theta by 2 cancelled here. 1 cos theta by 2. Remaining is sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta. So sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Therefore dy by dx is tan theta by 2.